Update your phone for fixed drop calls part on. Call drops. Call drops issue is prevalent across several modes, several models of Android and iOS device. Interestingly, Interestingly, browser, Apple, and Google often release software updates that fixed erases everything clear cause and other issue. For for instance, iOS 50 50.1.1 was released was released especially by Apple to improve call drop performance on iPhone 12 and iPhone 30 models and iPhone 30 models. Update your phone's operating Updates your phone's operating if none of the recommendations above resolves the problem. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to our channel and latest new video. Thank you.